In this video, we'll guide you through how to replace the control valve on a thermostatic shower mixer. The process should take approximately 30 minutes. Before you begin, ensure the water supply is fully turned off. Please close or cover any wastes to prevent screws or components from falling in and becoming lost. You'll need the following tools: a 10mm spanner for removing and securing the hexagonal nut, a 17mm spanner for removing and tightening the valve, a soft cloth, and the replacement valve 9.13501. Using your 10mm spanner, loosen and unscrew the hexagonal nut on the handle. Be careful not to scratch the finish. Once removed, the lever will come away easily. Unscrew the hood and lift it off to reveal the valve inside. Using your 17mm spanner, unscrew the valve from the body. Clean the valve seat thoroughly to remove any debris or residue. This ensures a proper seal for the new valve. Insert the new valve into the mixer body, ensuring it's in the closed position. Hand tighten, and then secure using your 17mm spanner. Avoid over-tightening. Replace the hood by screwing it gently back onto the thermostatic shower mixer. Pop the lever back on, removing the old plastic vernier if still in the lever, making sure it's centered and aligned with the valve spindle. To secure the handle, screw the hexagonal nut back on using your 10mm spanner, being careful not to scratch the finish. Finally, turn the water supply back on and test the valve to ensure the new valve is functioning as intended. And that's it. Your control valve has been successfully replaced. For more installation guides and support, feel free to explore our other videos.